Hey everybody, what's happening? Just want to give you guys an update. We got this driver's door on, started working on it. This one fought me a whole lot worse than the other side. On these I had to slot the hinges so that the door could slide in, and I also had to slot them upwards a little bit. Not much, but really had to go a good bit over to the side. Got the gap a lot better on this one, at least right here through the windshield, and cab roof's pretty good. The back I'm not real fond of. It's kind of wide at the bottom, and I've actually shimmed the hinge out in the lower bottom to push it back, and it's got a little bit of a gap all the way up. It's not terrible, but I think it's about as good as I'm gonna get it. Started working on the rocker panel fitment on this side, and this was just over the last couple days, and got bored and done this. I was getting tired of cutting and fitting, and it's a good thing I did. My chassis saver was trying to dry up on me real bad. I messed the lid up last time, had to switch it to another can, and thought that would do it, but it kind of dried up. It was still wet underneath the top. It was skimmed over. And it's just enough for me to get this portion done. Then of course, you know, we already done the cab corner and the rocker on this side. It's all done, just body work. Put the door back on this side. You can see this gap. It's pretty good. Gets a little tight up through here. And up top, it definitely needs to go up. I don't really like that at all. And then this here is what I was talking about, and the part that I really hate. It's not so bad down in here, but of course up in there, it's just way out. So I'm thinking, since I slotted the other hinges, got the door fitting good, I may do these and get the door up. I'm just worried if I get it up, it's going to screw me up right there, because the body line's good, but I really hate that top gap, and I hate this front gap. And then anything else, we already took the passenger door apart, all guts out of it. I started working on the driver's side a little bit, got the mirror and stuff like that off, let the screws soak for the vent window. But that's what we got done so far. Wanted to give you guys a quick update, and hopefully we get some more done here soon. Thanks for watching.